Welcome to another episode of The Customer's House, brought to you by...
Hey everybody, this is your window man Eric with Window Depot USA. We're out here in Xenia today. Customer bought this house and they're doing a lot of renovation. One of the first things they did was replace some of those old wooden windows that they had. And it's under construction right now on the inside as well. But here in the front, she chose the big 2-light slider. And just so you know, whenever a window is over a certain size, the flex screen still fits. They just have a maul right here in the middle. That way the screens tuck into that. But these were your old wood window type windows. Over here, while we're outside, I just want to touch base. She does have an air conditioner in the window, which is perfectly fine. She's got a bracket on the way because whenever you get new vinyl windows, you should always support the bottom of the air conditioner. And or I just recommend getting your floor models to where it just has a small little vent going out the window if you don't have central air. So why don't we go on inside and we'll take a look at what we did on the inside. All right. So here's this big one from the inside. Customer said her dad is going to come and do all the trim. So that's one of the reasons why I believe the guys didn't put a bead of caulking right down here at the bottom. They're probably going to be replacing this since it has the old mullion cut out. Instead of wood puttying and painting it, that probably is going to get replaced. 2 locks. Slides open nice, and this is another Triple Pane customer. The Endura Triple Pane is definitely our most popular window that we've sold. It's the most energy efficient. So that's the one with the air conditioner. Here's the one in the kitchen. Not sure 100% what they're going to do here yet with cabinets. That's why they didn't replace that one. Looks like they got some framing going on. And then here's the other bedroom. And remember, the customer is doing the trim. Just like that. It's amazing how light the balancing system makes these Triple Pane windows. And while I'm here, let me just show you, for those who don't know, that's how easy it is to tilt your windows in and clean them from the inside. Now the top sash does have your regular latches. And then the bottom has the dual active locks. Just like that. All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me for this episode of The Customer's House out here in Xenia. Peace out, everybody.